with another video, and this is a continuation on our walkthrough for all these ciphers in arcade mode. So where in a previous video we've done Caesar cipher, in the preceding one we've done Pigpen cipher. So now we're going to go on to shift cipher. Block and affine has been introduced in the first video that we had, which was the entire walkthrough on the entire app. So RSA encryption is we're not doing it, so you can ignore this button. But I may be developing on it more afterwards, after this project is over. So this app was created just for the sake of my discrete math project. So I have a partner, and his name is Min Hong. So he was the one who done the questions for block and affine cipher, and he helped me in the making of this app. So without him, then there will be no app like this. So let's go on to shift cipher. As told in the previous video, mechanism for having the players follow this sequence is that in normal you have to input the answer that you have given in easy. So there's this tiny little problem where if you cross out or do anything else other than inputting the right answer, you are wrong. So it occasionally appears and it occasionally does not come out. So I'm not really sure what's happening because I'm still a novice. So I'll try to evaluate, go through the entire coding again and see what's there to fix this. Okay, so let's go on. So we've sort of separated Caesar and shift cipher. If a lot of books are saying that Caesar and shift cipher are one and the same, but the textbook that we've been using, which is Applications of Discrete Math by McGraw-Hill Education and written by Kenneth Rosen. So they kind of distinguished Caesar cipher and shift cipher, so we did the same. So in Caesar cipher, all the questions, they did not have the shift key given. It was assumed that the shift key is 3 because that's Caesar cipher. According to Caesar, our textbook. So now that we're in shift cipher, the shift key has been given. I'm sort of explaining everything without mentioning the terminology because we've kind of assumed that much of the video content is just to present the app and going through the walkthrough and so on. But for those who don't know, the shift key is for example, we've got A to Z. We have 26 alphabets and A is 0, Z is 25. So with a shift key of 8, that means that for every A in the plain text is the original message without having it ciphered. So A would be represented as the 8th. So A is represented as 0, right? So plus 8 would be letter 8, and you would go through the alphabet and see what's the 8th letter. So yeah. So A in a cipher text will be represented by the 8th letter instead. So you're going to do the same for everything. Alright, so the same credits given, we'll go back to wherever it is. So the answer here is 2 pages long. So we'll just stop it here first. So once you're done with the entire video and you want to input the answer, you can do it that. So the grammar is intentionally done, and you can ignore this instruction. It was given at first. Because it's sort of broken because it's hieroglyphics, right? Hieroglyphs, right? Here stands idle moon god. So this is grammatically wrong. So the players are warned not to try to fix the grammar. shorter answers. So I'm glad for that. There's our message again, and it's 2 pages long as well. Okay, to be continued, and the credits will roll. So now we're gonna input our answer. So please type the last. Okay, it's not letter actually, it's word. Sorry, I'll fix this. It's the last word of each sentence. So here, since we want the last word, separate the answers with commas. In this input box, commas don't look exactly like commas, so you'll have to type carefully. Oops. a really short one, thankfully. So it's actually okay. So now we got it correct. We'll reach the epilogue. So because the idol was supposed to be, ancient, right? So right now it says made in Cairo, which means that it's made from modern means. In the original story, well, never mind. You should buy the book and then you can read the story. It's actually really interesting. With a W. So this is the end of the video, and well, we're done here, so you can just click that. So that's about it for Shift Cipher, and hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, so that's all for this app at the moment. There's a couple of mistakes and I'll try to get them fixed, but since they're minor, then there won't be any